Well, I think Battersea's an amazing project. It's an amazing landmark and a great building, but Battersea's half of it. It's the people that make it. It's the stories behind everyone. And I think the stories that go into the people that are restoring this amazing buildings are just as interesting as the stories behind the building itself. It's one of those things where I've seen the photos, I've seen the video, it just doesn't do it justice. And then when you come down here and you see such an iconic piece of history, it's just amazing. We want to bring Battersea back to life and back to its former glory, but equally we've got to pay respect to the decades of heritage that this building holds. And I think it's so important to find that balancing act. It really is a tightrope every day with every single component, where we're trying to balance the needs of making a building look presentable, but also paying respect to all of the time that's passed.